Hello everyone, it's Marcy, and I just finished my journal for the November Dollar Store Junk Journal Challenge hosted by Dear Julie, and I wanted to give you a quick flip through. In my last video, I told you and showed you the items I was planning to use, which was 2 sets of gift bags. Each set had 2 gift bags in it, an art pad, construction paper, 1 set of 2 buffalo plaid fabric bags, 1 pad of stickers, a roll of burlap with lace, a tulle skirt, a package of tissue paper, a little container of buttons that I'd found at a dollar store, and a set of Christmas stamps. Oh, along with 2 fabrics. My fabrics actually came from Walmart. They were $1.47 each, so I used 2 of them, but counted them as 3 items. So $3, 3 items. I actually did swap out the Christmas stamps for some of these glitter markers that I found at Dollar Tree. I had actually picked them up at the same time I got some of this other stuff and didn't think I was going to use them, but I liked working with them better than the stamps. And then I added, as my 15th item, this box of Christmas cards that I ended up cutting up and using some of the envelopes out of. Okay, so here's my journal. I used the cover of my art paper pad and covered it with fabric. This is from one of the gift bags. This is some of the art paper that I had coffee dyed with tissue paper over it, burlap, lace, and a button. You'll notice the only thing that my journal does not have right now is a closure. And my journal got so chunky that I think I'm going to have to go rogue for the closure. So I wanted to go ahead and get this video made. I did put lace on the edges. Here I made a fabric pocket, covered the inside with fabric, and I've got a tag. The tag topper is made from packaging, and then I just used some of the art paper and construction paper to make the card thicker. And this is actually from the sticker pad. And then put a couple of stickers, little tissue paper. Here and throughout the journal, you'll see I've made some ornaments. I used the round topper from the burlap and lace to make the big ornaments, and then I actually used the center core of the roll to make the smaller ornaments. And then like these are stickers. That's a piece of the fabric, the red buffalo plaid that I'd gotten, lace, and a button. And I've used some of the glitter marker. Here I've just got a paper clip with some of that tulle skirt, burlap along the edge of that page. Here I put down some of the white tissue paper to make some textured snow, and then this is from one of the gift bags. Continues over here. Put tissue on some art paper, a couple of stickers, and that is from the same bag. And then a journaling card here. I used the bottom of the bag that was on. Construction paper, and then a little bit off the back. Oh, and a sticker there. And tissue paper there. Here I used tissue paper that had the words, and then I cut out a couple of the pieces from the fabric. Here I made a fabric flip using the fabrics and lace from the burlap and lace. This ruffled edge is from the tulle skirt. Here I just put down some tissue paper, put an ornament with napkin from the mini challenge and the challenge 2. My leftover napkin pieces. Here's a journaling card. Again, I used the topper off of one of my packaging and more of the tulle skirt ribbon and tissue paper and more napkin. This pocket has yet more of the napkin, some lace, and some of the twine out of the red buffalo plaid bags. Made a corner pocket, writing space, and a tag using the buffalo plaid and part of the Christmas card. Another gift bag. This was the topper for this gift bag. Then I just put a tulle bow down here. Made another little fabric pocket with burlap along the bottom. And I made a fabric covered journaling card. And then cut out some of the snowmen from the fabric and added some of the burlap and lace. Here I've got a little top tuck. That sentiment came from inside the greeting card. This was off one of the gift bags. And the base was the inside of the greeting card. Here I've got another little paper clip. Made this envelope. And inside the envelope is one of the greeting cards. And flip it over. And that's the back of that envelope. Laid down tissue paper here. Mod Podged it down. And here I use some of the buffalo plaid as a ruffle. The center of my signature, this was made using items from Mini Challenge and the Challenge number 2. This entire page was created for that. So it has some extra things. The music paper, the doily, the napkin, button. Here I put a charm, and then the buffalo plaid lace and burlap. Oh, and then stencil and stamp. Here's some more of those little Christmas ornaments that I'd made up along with the side tuck. And little tag. And here I actually used the round after I was done tracing, and I just went ahead and made a little round tag. Here we've got a little skinny tag, and I used a tag off one of the gift bags and tissue paper on top of that, clipped it with a bulb pin, and then this using the napkin again, a flip up, flip down, and just made the little closure with burlap, buffalo plaid, and lace. More ruffle using some of the fabric. This is off the top of one of the gift bags, and this is off the sides of one of the gift bags. And this tag using tissue paper, and where I'd fussy cut one of the Christmas cards and tissue paper for the sentiment. This is also fussy cut from the Christmas card, tissue paper backing, tulle skirt for the tag topper. Here's one of the images. Again, I put down, this time I didn't use tissue paper, I just used some of the white art paper, put down some snow, and fussy cut this image from the gift bag. Here's another corner tuck pocket with a long tag. All of the fabric here, all of this is from Christmas card, tulle skirt. And unfortunately, I didn't think about sewing around the edges of all of this until I had everything down. So the back still have places to write, but it does have the stitching coming through. And here I used several of the tissue pack that I had picked up, had white, green, red, the star snowflakes, and words. So I just made sort of a patchwork page. Here I made a belly band using burlap and the buffalo plaid and lace. And made this little journaling card using part of fabric, part of the gift bag, some of the art paper and tissue paper, a sticker, and some lace. Here's another ribbon from some of the fabric. Here I made a double pocket using fabric here, tulle here, lace. Behind it I put an image from the bag, made a tag. These were actually on the sides of one of the bags, and I just loved that, so grabbed it and made a tag out of that. And this, I'd already used the fuller image off the bag, so I just took the snowman's head and neck and put it on a round deal that I'd made for an ornament and put some buttons on it with my binding thread. Made a little tag for that. And here we've got a flip page with some journaling space. This was also off the side of a bag. And the other side of that paper clip from the greeting card. And more ornaments. Let's see. Those are bells from one of the gift bags, fabric. That's from a gift bag sticker, and then just some of the buffalo plaid with a button. And in the back, I've got another fabric pocket. And I made this sort of a double pocket plus an envelope using envelopes from the greeting card pack and tissue paper. Made that up, and I just put in several things that I'd already cut out or that I had left over in there as extra little embellishments. And then inside the envelope, I've got some of the leftover fabric, and like that's from a section of the gift bag that I just didn't use. So I tucked all those in there just to keep in case somebody wanted to use it. So that is my journal. Like I said, doesn't have a closure yet. I knew my journal was going to get chunky, but it got chunkier even than I planned. So I don't have enough. The only thing I've got enough of left is that tulle skirt, and I'm just not sure how that would do as a closure. So I'm going to make the closure later. But the basic part of my journal is complete. This was actually the second journal that I had started. I've got another one that I started first, but I just got going on this one and finished this one first. So We'll see if I can get the other one done. I'm not sure if it'll get done right now or if I'll have to tuck it away and finish it later. But anyway, hope you enjoy this. Hope you're having fun making your journals. And thank you, everyone. And I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.